This Purview series offers 5 different widths from as small as 42 inches up to 100 inches wide. With either a wall mount or recessed installation, the Purview series electric linear fireplaces are a great choice for any room and any project. Low and high heat functions, as well as being able to run the fireplace with no heat at all, provides comfort and use year-round. A beautiful crystal ember bed showcases the orange and cool white LED flame colors. The Purview series can be used by timer setting between 30 minutes and 8 hours, and also can be operated with the convenience of remote control or touch screen panel. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful heater. Quickly heat large rooms to 400 square feet thanks to the robust heat output of 5,000 BTUs and 1,500 watts powering the unit. Number 2. Easy setup. Ready to use right out of the box. Just hang on the wall and plug it into a regular 120 volts outlet. Number 3. See the fireplace. Not the frame, the black, nearly frameless finish surrounding this modern, linear electric fireplace creates a minimalist look that doesn't interfere with your decor. Instead, it enhances the fire aspect of the fireplace. Number 4. Realistic flame. Art imitates life as the flames of this electric fireplace beautifully mimic the burning of a fire, gradually becoming brighter, modulating while it's on, and slowly going out when turned off. Number 5. Easy controls. Control heat output, blower, flame color, flame intensity, and timer from front touch screen panel or included remote, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What are the specifications? Width, height, and depth. Answer. Dimensions: width 50 inches, depth 5.5 inches, height 21.4 inches. Question number 2. What are the rough-in dimensions for the 72 inches? Answer. The height is 20.75 and width of 69 inches. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.